Hello dear students, welcome back to EDUHUNT online teaching platform. At the section today, we are going to discuss about elementary geometry, worksheet number 4, which is a part of 9th class mathematics. So in that portion, we need to learn two type of concepts. One is parallel lines, another one transversal line. So these two parts very important in elementary geometry. So first one, what is a parallel line? So parallel lines lie in the same plane and maintain a constant distance from each other, never intersecting. Just like that, they can be represented in various directions: horizontal, vertical and diagonal. Am I clear? So parallel lines lies in the same plane and maintain the constant distance. So clearly we need to observe. So here maintain constant distance. So never intersect. Constant distance and never intersect. If it is taken horizontal parallel lines, vertical parallel lines or diagonal parallel lines never intersect each other. So it maintains constant distance between them. Am I clear? So these two are considered as parallel lines. So these are first part. This is the first. See the picture. The first part is horizontal parallel lines. Second one is diagonal parallel lines. This is a vertical parallel lines. The symbol just like that. This is a parallel line is used to denote parallel lines. Suppose for example here L and M are two parallel lines. So L is parallel to M. It is represented as double dash. Am I clear? So let's go to transversal lines. So in a geometry, a transversal is any line that intersect two straight lines at a distant points. So distinct, nothing but different. So in a geometry, transversal is any line. So it is any line that intersect two straight lines. Just like that, it is intersect two straight lines at distant points. Distant, nothing but different points. Just like that. So and in the following figure, just like that, in the following figure. So the transversal line that cuts lines at two distant points. Just like that, two distant points. So L is a line. Intersect at two parallel lines M and N. So at a distant nothing but different points, just like that. Am I clear? In the universe of parallel and transversal lines, a transversal line connects the two parallel lines. So if you take in parallel lines and transversal lines, so it is a combination of parallel lines and transversal. So in the universe of parallel and transversal lines, a transversal line connects the two parallel lines. So it connects the two parallel lines M and N. Am I clear? Next one, a transversal intersection with two lines produce various type of angles in pairs such as corresponding angles, alternative interior exterior angles. Next one, consecutive interior angles and vertically opposite angles. Am I clear? So a transversal produce 8 angles. So L is a transversal. It connects two parallel lines at two distant points. Distant, nothing but different points. Am I clear? M and N are two parallel lines. L is a transversal line. So a transversal line produce 8 angles. A, B, C, D, P, Q, R, S. Total being 8 angles. Am I clear? It produced 8 angles. So which type of angles? So first one is corresponding angles. So what is the main concept of corresponding angles in a transversal line? Okay, it should be noted that the pair of corresponding angles are equal in measure. In the given figure, there are 4 pairs of corresponding angles, that is L1, L2 are two parallel lines. So a transversal T, this is a transversal line. T connects the L1 and L2 at distant points respectively. So here corresponding angles are equal measure. This is very important. Corresponding angles are equal in measure. Just like that is angle A, angle E. So angle A, angle E. This is called corresponding angles. So in that representation, corresponding angles always equal. Angle A equals to angle E, angle B equals to angle F, angle C equals to angle G, angle D equals to angle H. This is very important concept. Am I clear? So corresponding angles always equal in measure. So A and E, D and H, B and F and C and G. Am I clear? Corresponding means suppose that so a transversal line touches cuts two distant points in upper line and the lower line. So that means what? Corresponding means for example, it will be considered as a top left corner. So it is also top left corner. So B and F are top left corner in the upper line, top left corner and the lower line. Am I clear? B and F are corresponding angles. In that second part, A and E. So this is a top right corner in that part of upper line. In lower line, what is the top right corner? E. So the A and E are corresponding angles, that is equal. So C and G. So in that upper line, C is a bottom left corner. In that lower line, G is a bottom left corner. C and G are equal, nothing but this is corresponding angles. And D and H, which in that upper line, D is a bottom right corner. In the L2 line, H is a bottom right corner. So D and H are corresponding angles, D and H. So this is a thought. Am I clear? So this is very important structure. Corresponding angles always equal. Okay, that is a very important concept. Next one, alternative interior angles. Alternative interior angles. Alternative interior angles are formed on the inside of the two parallel lines that are intersected by a transversal. They are equal in measure. So alternative interior angles also equal. In this figure, so C and E, angle C and angle E are equal. So clearly we need to identify that. So alternative interior angle, that means what? So it is always formed inside of the two parallel lines. Inside of the two parallel lines. Here L1, L2 are two parallel lines. So what is inside angles? Angle C, angle D, angle F, angle E. So inside the two parallel lines that are intersected by a transversal. They are equal in measure. So which one is equal here? Angle C equals to angle E. Again, angle D equals to angle F. This is called alternative interior angles are equal. In measure means they are always equal. So clearly we need to understand L1, L2 are two straight lines or it is parallel. L1, L2 are parallel lines. Am I clear? So T is a transversal, cuts in the distant points in L1, L2. Okay. So, but here which one is inside of the parallel lines? C, D, F, E are inside angles of the parallel lines. So this is a transversal. A transversal cuts into distant points with respect to L1 and L2. So angle C equals to angle E. These two are called alternative interior angle. So D and angle D equals to angle F. Also alternative interior angles. So always equal. Only you will get two alternative interior angles. Am I clear? Let us go to alternative exterior angle. So which one is alternative exterior angles here? Alternative exterior angles are formed on either sides of the transversal and they are equal in measure in this figure. So L1, L2 are two parallel lines. L1, L2 are parallel lines. It is represented with this symbol. L1, L2 are parallel lines. So T is a transversal intersect two distinct points of L1, L2. Okay. So T is a transversal. So clearly we need to understand alternative exterior angle are formed on either sides of the transversal. Either sides of the transversal, outside nothing but. Inside already CD, FE, that are inside angles. Outside what? BA, GH. So alternative exterior angles always equal in measure. Nothing but angle A equals to angle Z, angle B equals to angle H. This is also very important. Alternative exterior angles always equal in measure. Am I clear? So next one, consecutive interior angle or co-interior angle. Consecutive interior angle or co-interior angle. Angles. So clearly we need to understand. So consecutive interior angles or co-interior angles are formed on the inside of the transversal and they are supplementary. Here angle C plus angle F equals to 180 degree, angle D plus angle E equals to 180. So clearly we need to understand L1, L2 are two parallel lines. L1, L2 are two parallel lines. So T is a transversal, connects or cuts two distinct points of L1, L2. Am I clear? So transversal produce 8 angles. So in that inside, clearly we need to notice that. So consecutive interior angle or co-interior angles are formed on the inside of the transversal. So they are supplementary. That means angle C plus angle F. Angle C inside only here they can form the 4 inside angles C, D, F, E. So one side, any side, left side or right side, some of the consecutive interior angles. Consecutive means angle C plus angle F equals to 180 and angle D plus angle E equals to 180. So these two angles are supplementary. That means some co-interior angles always supplementary, nothing but equals to 180 degree. Consecutive interior angle or co-interior angles. Am I clear? So C and F, angle C plus angle F are 180. So any side, left side or right side, sum of the left side angles inside of the parallel lines. Okay, angle C plus angle F equals to 180, angle D plus angle E equals to 180. So angle C plus angle F are supplementary, nothing but sum of the two angles inside of the transversal. Okay, these are supplementary, so they can form two type of supplementary angles. Left side, sum of the left side angles, sum of the right side angles. Am I clear? Inside of the parallel lines. So next one, vertical opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are formed when two straight lines intersect each other and they are equal in measure. Here, so L1, L2 are two parallel lines. T is a transversal, connects or intersect two distinct points at L1 and L2. Am I clear? So T is a transversal. So transversal produce 8 angles, 4 exterior angles, 4 interior angles. A, B, H, G are exterior angles. C, D, F, E are interior angles. But here what I am given, vertically opposite angles are formed when two straight lines intersect each other and they are equal in measure. So vertical opposite angles always equal. So angle A equals to angle C. So this is a vertical opposite angles in a L1 at a L1 line. So these are called vertically opposites. So if any two lines intersect each other, they can form 4 angles. So vertically means what? Opposite. Vertically opposite angles always equal. Am I clear? So angle A equals to angle C, angle B equals to angle D. That is upper line. At lower line, angle E equals to angle G, angle F equal to angle H. So these are vertically opposite angles always equal. This is also very important rule in transversal line. Am I clear? So let's go to, so actually this is a main basic points of parallel lines and transversal lines. Am I clear? So clearly we need to understand. So in that transversal line, corresponding angles always equal. That is first one. Second one, alternative interior are also equal. Alternative interior angles also equal. So third one, alternative exterior angles also equal. Fourth one, consecutive interior angles also. Consecutive interior angles, sum of the consecutive interior angles equals to supplementary, nothing but it is not equal. Consecutive interior angles or co-interior angles is supplementary, nothing but angle C plus angle F equals to 180, angle D plus angle E equals to 180. So next one, vertical opposite angles always equal. So vertical opposite angles, upper line at lower line. So vertical opposite angles, so they can form 4 equal angles. Am I clear? This is a main basic concept of parallel lines and transversal line. Am I clear? So let us go to examples. Try yourself. First question, in the figure, M and N are parallel lines and angle 1 equals to 65 degree. Find angle 5 and angle 8. So M and N are parallel lines. So L is a transversal, connects at distant points at M and N line. Okay, na? M and N. So clearly we need to understand in that question angle 1 equals to how much given? 65. But question what I am asking? 65 degree. Angle 5 and angle 8. Angle 5 and angle 8. So clearly we need to understand in that at the upper line, especially angle 1 and angle 3 are vertical opposite angles are always equal, nothing but angle 1 equals 65, angle 3 also 65 degree. Am I clear? So angle 1 and angle 3 are vertically opposite angles. So in that concept, vertical opposite angles are equal, 1 and 3. Angle 1 and angle 3 are equals to 65 because angle 1 equal to 65. But question what I am asking, angle 5 and angle 8. And also, so here angle 1 and angle 3 are vertical opposite angles. So what is the relation between angle 1 and angle 8? Angle 1 and angle 8 are alternative exterior angles. Alternative exterior angles always equal. Alternative exterior angles. So clearly we need to observe alternative exterior angles just like that. So alternative exterior angles always equal. Angle A equal to angle Z, angle B equal to angle H. Alternative exterior angles also equal in measure. Am I clear? So angle 1, angle 8 also equal. Angle 1 how much given? 65. Angle 8 also 65. So clearly we need to understand inside angle, especially M and N are two parallel lines. What is in inside angles? Angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6. So sum of the consecutive interior angles always equals to supplementary, nothing but angle 3 plus angle 5 equals to 180 degree. Co-interior angles, sum of the co-interior angles equals to 180 degree. So co-interior angles, nothing but angle 3, angle 5. Here angle 4, angle 6 equals to 180. But question what I am asking, angle 5 and angle 8. You know, already got angle 8 equals to 65 degree. I will get angle 5, angle 3 plus angle 5 equal to 180. Angle 3 value already 65 degree. 65 plus angle 5 equals to 180. Therefore, angle 5 equals to 65 minus 180 minus 65 degree. So what is the remaining? 115. So angle 5 equals to 115 degree. So what I am asking, angle 5 equals to 115 degree, angle 8 equals to 65 degree. Am I clear? Okay, have a look at question number 2. In the figure, M is parallel to N. So M and N are parallel lines, and angle 1 and angle 2 are in the ratio 3:2. Determine all the angles from 1 to 8. So clearly we need to understand in that question, M and N are two parallel lines. L is a transversal line. So it connects or it cuts at two distant points at M and N. Okay, na? M and N. So clearly we need to understand transversal line produce 8 angles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So clearly we need to understand in that question angle 1 and angle 2. Angle 1 is to angle 2 ratio given. How much? 3:2. So let us consider 3x and 2x. So here angle 1 and angle 2 are straight angles. So clearly we need to understand the angle at a linear pair always 180. Angle 1, this is a linear pair, just like that this is a linear pair. So angle at straight line is always 180. So sum of angle 1 and angle 2 equals to 180 degree. Am I clear? Angle at linear pair equals to 180. Am I clear? So clearly angle 1, angle 2, you know that. What is total? 3x plus 2x. 3x plus 2x equals to 180 degree. So therefore 5x equals to total 180 degree. Therefore x equals to 180 by 5. 532 is x value 32. So 5 3s are 15, remainder 30 left, nothing but 6. It's not 32, 36. What is x value? 36. So how will you get angle 1 and angle 2? 3x, 2x. Angle 1 is angle 1 equals to 3x, nothing but 3 into 36. What is the total? 108 degree. Angle 2 equals to 2x, 2 into 36, 72 degree. Am I clear? Already got angle 1 and angle 2. Am I clear? So angle 1 and angle 2 are linear pairs. So linear, sum of the linear pairs always 180. So next one, how will you get 4 and 3? Opposite, vertical opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles always equal. So here, so in that figure, angle 1, angle 3 equal, angle 2 or angle 4 are equal. So by using the, what is the property of transversal? Vertically opposite angles are equal. So angle 1 equals to angle 3 as well as angle 2 equals to angle 4. Am I clear? This is a vertically opposite angle. By vertically opposite angle. Always equal. Am I clear? Don't write it. You can able to understand. So angle 1 and angle 3, angle 2 and angle 4. So you know angle 1 equals to 108. Therefore angle 3 also 108 because equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. And similarly angle 2 and angle 4 are equal. Angle 4 also 72 degree because angle 2 equals to 72. Am I clear? Next, according to transversal property, corresponding angles are equal. So corresponding angles means angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding angles. Angle 2 and angle 6 also corresponding angles. So angle 1 equals to angle 5. Similarly, angle 2 equals to angle 6. These are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Angle 1, angle 5 as well as angle 2 and angle 6. Am I clear? So clearly angle 1 equals to 108, angle 5 also 108. 108 degree. And similarly angle 2 equals to 72 degree, angle 6 also 72 degree. So this is corresponding angles by using the property of corresponding angles. Am I clear? So what is the next one? Angle 7 and angle 8. So clearly we need to identify that angle 4 and angle 8. Angle 4 and angle 8 are also corresponding angles, as well as angle 3 and angle 7 also corresponding angles. And by using the property of external opposite angles, by using the property of vertically over, next one, this is alternative exterior angles. Alternative exterior angles also equal. So alternative exterior angle means angle 2 equals to angle 8, angle 1 equals to angle 7 also equal. So what is the, by using the property of, so alternative exterior angles always equal, nothing but angle 1 equal to angle 7. Angle 1 equals to angle 7. Similarly, angle 2 equals to angle 8. Am I clear? So what is, by using the property of transversal, what is that? Alternative exterior angles always equal. Angle 1 equals to angle 7, angle 2 equals to angle 8. So angle 1 already know that 108, angle 7 also 108. And similarly, angle 2 equals to 108, angle 8, angle 2 72, angle 8 also 72. Am I clear? So what is the angle 1? So question what I am asking, determine the all angles from 1 to 8. So angle 1 equals to 108, angle 1 equals to 108, angle 2 equals to 72, angle 3 equals to 108, angle 4 equals to 72, angle 5 equals to 108, angle 6 equals to 72, angle 7 equals to 108, angle 8 equals to 72. Am I clear? So already find 1 to 8 angles. Am I clear? Let's go to question number 3. In figure AB parallel to DC and AD parallel to BC, prove that angle DAB equals to angle DCB. Angle DAB equals to angle DCB. So clearly we need to understand what I am given first condition. AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC. So AB is parallel to DC. Am I clear? AB is parallel to DC. So clearly we need to understand, if AB is parallel to DC, BC is a transversal, connects at B and C of AB and DC. Am I clear? AB is parallel to DC. Clearly we need to understand AB is parallel to DC or CD. So here BC is called transversal. BC is called transversal. So it is cuts at B and C respectively. So that means what? So according to, by using the property of corresponding angles, by using the property of corresponding angles, so angle ABC plus angle ABC plus angle DCB equals to 180. Am I clear? So AB is parallel to DC here. Okay. So by using the property of transversal, BC is a transversal. Okay, transversal line. So corresponding angle, this is a corresponding angles. Sum of the corresponding angles equals to 180. So sum of the corresponding angles are supplementary. Angle ABC, angle CB, DCB, angle ABC and DCB equals to 180. From AB parallel to DC. So what is the first, second condition? AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC. Am I clear? If AD is parallel to BC, AB is a transversal. Am I clear? So AB is a transversal. It cuts at A and B respectively. Clearly we need to understand AB is a transversal. By using the property of corresponding angles are always equal. So in that AB is a transversal. By using the transversal property, what is the corresponding angles here? Angle DAB plus angle ABC equals to supplementary, nothing but 180 degree, just like that. So if AD is parallel to BC, angle DAB plus angle CABC equals to 180 degree. So this is equation 1, it is equation 2. Okay. So equate the 1 and 2 equations. Therefore, we will get angle ABC plus angle DCB equals to angle DAB plus angle ABC. So ABC, angle ABC cancel. So which one is left? Angle DCB equals to angle DAB. Am I clear? DAB. So hence proved. What I am asking, angle DAB equals to angle DCB. And what is the another concept? So what I am given? So clearly we need to identify that. This is the second method. Method 2. AB and DC are parallel. Already given AB and DC. AB, CD. What I am given first? AB and AB is parallel to DC, and similar next condition what I am given? AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC. So nothing but opposite sides are parallel. So this should be a parallelogram. Am I clear? So ABCD is a, therefore ABCD is a parallelogram, because in a parallelogram opposite sides are parallel. AB and DC are parallel, and AD and BC are parallel. In parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Angle A equals to angle C. Similarly, angle B equals to angle D. In a parallelogram, angle A equals to angle C. Opposite angles are always equal. Angle B equals to angle D. Am I clear? So question what I am asking at final? Prove that angle DAB equal to angle DCB. Angle DAB equals to DCB. Angle DCB. So nothing but opposite angles are equal. Angle A equals to angle C. That means angle DAB equals to angle DCB. Or angle, so what is the angle DAB equals to angle DCB, and similarly angle ABC is equals to angle CDA. Both are same. So hence proved. It is also important prove. Okay. So by using the parallelogram. Okay, have a look at question number 4. In figure, AB is parallel to CD. Determine angle A. So this is a given figure. See the given figure. So AB is parallel to CD. That is the first condition. AB is parallel to CD. So through O, a line, what I am taken, EF. Through O, a line EF drawn parallel to AB and CD. Am I clear? So EF is what I am taken first. EF is parallel to CD as well as EF is parallel to AB. So clearly we need to understand this is a transversal. So interior, so clearly we need to understand alternative interior angles are equal. So alternative interior angles are equal, but question what I am asking, determine angle A. So clearly we need to notice that angle A nothing but angle 1 plus angle 2. Am I clear? Clearly we need to observe here angle A nothing but what? Angle A plus angle 2. So clearly, so first condition, EF is parallel to CD. What I am EF is parallel to CD. So by using the property of transversal, so this is a transversal, okay na? So a transversal line intersected distant points of CD and EF respectively. So according to property of transversal, alternative interior angles are equal. Alternative interior angles means angle 1 equals to 55 degree. Am I clear? Angle 1 equals to 55. So from again, what is the next condition? EF is parallel to AB. EF is parallel to AB. So this is a transversal. Am I clear? So it is cuts two distant points of EF and AB. So according to alternative interior angles always equal. So nothing but angle 2 equals to angle 38. So angle 2 equals to 38. Angle 2 equal to 38 degree. Am I clear? By using the first condition, EF is parallel to CD. So alternative interior angles always equal. Angle 1 equals to 55. And the second condition, EF is parallel to AB. Angle 2 equals to 38. That means alternative interior angles always equal. Alternative interior angles are equal. Am I clear? Yes. So question what I am asking, angle A, total angle, nothing but angle A, nothing but it is angle A 1 plus angle 2. We know already got angle 1 equal to 55 degree plus angle 2 equals to 38 degree. What is the total? 93 degree. Am I clear? Angle A 93 degree. Am I clear? So rest of the questions I will discuss you later. Thank you. Have a nice day.